Hi, this is Once Upon a Page with Miss JoJo. Come read with me.
Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Beep, 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 December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose. That's a big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. The short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me.
Hi, boys and girls. Thank you so much for reading with me. Please remember to like and subscribe so we can read more books together. Bye.